2023 BMW 340i, M340i, 340i, M340i, whatever you want to call it. It's not an M car, it's a 340 with an M badge on it, all right? We got stock exhaust on there, complete garbage. We're taking all of it down. We're slapping an AWE kit on there. The AWE kit is probably the best system on the market, especially for BMWs. Anti-drone technology. Again, 180 technology by AWE. They even give you a sucker, even when you don't buy the tips. Sucker by AWE, all right? Blow pop, no diddy, all right? Got a bag of hardware, pretty sweet. AWE brackets for the valve. We got pretty sweet looking Y pipe. I don't even know how you make that. That's crazy. It looks insane. How do you make that Y pipe? AWE? We need questions answered ASAP. It's pretty sweet looking Y pipe. Got all 3-inch stainless steel. Got mandrel bends. Got the mufflers on there. This one does keep the factory tips, so we just pop these bezels out just so we could drop the system. We're gonna put them back. It's gonna look pretty sweet. It's gonna sound even better. Look at this fucking asshole right here. All right, that's Jay. He's my cousin. It's all right. So yeah, stock system out, AWE in. Matt and Berto patiently waiting for y'all to do all the hating.
What'd you say?
So real quick, just to go over the stock setup real quick, factory muffler does have a valve control. We're bypassing that. The AWE does not have the valve control, just a valve control bracket. Piping all the way through, very restrictive Y pipe, flattened out, very awkward Y right here. We're getting rid of it. Unbolt the hangers, disconnect it from the stock downpipe. Gonna upgrade it all, AWE stainless 3-inch mandrel bent system, baby.
Did you just hump the pipe?
Huh?
Did you just hump the pipe?
No, I had to hit this thing.
No, I got it on camera. How does it feel?
Pretty good, pretty good. Not too much drone on the inside of the car. Perfect, sounds good.
Got the AWE system installed. Sounds good, looks good, performs really well, guys. Matt, give me some revs. Let's hear this baby. Pretty sweet, guys. Sounds like what a BMW is supposed to sound like. So if you guys have a BMW, a 340, 330, AWE makes really good catbacks for this car. They're available at gexhaust.com. You can always call us, Davey, Oakland Park. We have wholesale pricing with these guys, so we can save you some money off of retail, and then hook you up on the install. Professional install is recommended. Do not recommend doing this in your garage. So if you have any questions, you have a car like this, you want it to sound good, you don't even want to spend on an AWE system. We have other options for you guys. So hit us up, call us directly, DM us, check us out on YouTube. We got everything, guys. You need something, you let us know. G Exhaust out, baby.